Hello, my name is Liam. I work for a company called Theraposture, and today we're with Linda,
Hello.
One of our valued customers, who has a Rotoflex bed. Linda is living with Parkinsons, and she's going to share some of her experiences regarding the bed and how it helps with daily tasks. So, Linda, could you explain and also show us, if you wouldn't mind, how the Rotoflex helps you get into bed?
Yes. Well, I bring the bed down to as low as it'll come, and with it fully up the back.
Mm-hmm.
That gives me support on my back.
So in that position we're in now?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I press the one button, I have to, and here we go.
Okay.
You go up. It's very easy, you just relax. And go to, sometimes I go to sleep at night. I'm like this.
So basically, you're just pushing and holding one button.
One button,
and
yes.
the bed is doing everything for you.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So you're spinning round now. Is that a comfortable position that you're in?
Now it is very comfortable.
Yeah.
Rotoflex were very good, and they've actually positioned it so that it doesn't crush my back up.
So there is scope to open and and reduce that angle if a particular customer wants that.
Yes, and I usually stop myself at this point and press the down button and I go to sleep.
Brilliant, thank you.